Hello YouTube, and today we're going to be doing the game Evolution. I'm going to be trying to make a bird. So we'll set it to jumping. We'll start with joints. And make its body kind of like a triangle sort of thing. So we'll put a couple joints. Alright, so add the bones. I don't know if this game actually makes like flight. So I guess we'll try it to find out. Probably doesn't. Alright, here we go. Muscles. Muscles are very important for your creature. Oh, that was bad. It's my brother moving around. He'll do the same for the other side. And then we're also going to make some bird feet. It's going to have little legs that will all speak together. Hard to place this. There we go. So evolve. Alright, my bird creatures. Fly! Oh my god. The poor thing. It's just like spazzing out on the ground. Oh my god. It's just a jumble of dots. What is it doing? This isn't a bird. What is that doing with its wing? This thing's so derpy. It's nothing like an actual bird. What is it doing? One wing kind of like tries to flap, and the other just like kills itself. It's sort of like a dinosaur with like one wing up. Okay, so it's pretty obvious that... Here, I'm just gonna... Time per generation, 2 seconds. Rotation rate, 75. Oh, now it'll go a little faster. It's found out that right now it's getting the most height from just raising its wing. Let's go forward a couple generations. Not seeing much change. Okay. Obviously this thing can't fly. Let's go and try running. Oh, I accidentally placed a dot. I'm just gonna press shift one at a time so it's not just a jumble of random. I'm guessing this thing's gonna be a lot better at running than flying, seeing as though this game. I don't think this game actually makes. What is that? What? It's using its legs. So, okay. So this thing's going pretty well. A lot better than previous attempt at flying. So let's see. It's starting to get 3 meters away from where it starts. It's pretty good compared to how well it did at jumping. This recording's going on for 8 minutes. Let's count on. Alright, so I'll speed it up now. 2. Alright. So if you don't know, this game is basically build a creature and give it muscles and joints and stuff, and it has a neural network that tries to figure out how to best use the muscles in a way to get furthest towards its goal. So in this one, it's trying to go as far to the right as possible. The other one was trying to jump as high as possible. There's also one with climbing, where it has to climb as high as possible. It's like a staircase. And then there's an obstacle course, so it has to jump over obstacles and get as far to the right as possible. Bird is pretty successful on land. Not more than it is in the air. Let's look at the best. So these ones are trying to use their left wing sort of like a leg, pushing themselves along with the wing instead of just their legs. Let's skip a couple generations. 72. So yeah, these guys are putting their wing on the ground and then thrusting it out. They're not using their right wing for very much right now. These guys aren't making a whole ton of progress. This one's sort of using its right leg, putting it down on the ground. See what this one's doing. Now I'm going to speed this up again. You're not speed it up, slow it down. Let's go to generation 150 before I end it. This bird's fairly successful. 5 meters is its current distance. Okay, I'm going to speed this back up again. So let's just look at the best. It's like my phone to do 1 generation a second. Oh. Alright then. See if it... No, it doesn't. I accidentally hit the back button. Alright then. So that was fairly successful at running. Gotta delete these. Okay, let's try climbing. No. Obviously not that great. One day these birds will climb like pros. Today is not that day. Actually, they're kind of staying. That's the first step when trying to learn to climb, is learning not to fall first, then actually properly climbing. Oh. I'll probably come back to this game later, but for now I'm gonna end the video at that. Bye.